How about a cake in a minute? I'll show you how. All it takes is 1 egg, a half cup powdered sugar, thereabouts, and a nice big scoop of cocoa powder, maybe 2 tablespoons. So mix up the egg first. It will make it a little less messy because when you put in the powdered sugar, you know powdered sugar flies if you try to stir it. So if you mix the egg first, it helps, and then put a nice big scoop of cocoa powder in there. This will be a dark, rich cupcake. And as all the powder starts to fly up, cover, and you'll get more of it and it's staying in the cup. Egg resists being mixed with the sugar, so mix it well. Even if you have lumps, it'll be good. No worries. And that's it. Put it in for 1 minute and watch it transform. And there's your cupcake in a minute. This looks and feels very similar to cake, but it's got more protein, and it's a delicious way to start your day in 1 minute.